is this your murals? Are they just for the home? No, absolutely not. I've done, there's a place in Canyon Country, Canyon Lake, Texas. They have cabins all over. If you want to go out there and spend the night under the night sky and you're out in that area, let me know and I'll tell you where to go. But they have them in all their little cabins. I've painted in somebody turned a school bus into an office. I painted the ceiling there. I've painted in motorhomes. But obviously, the people think of the home as the best place for a mural. I like it in the bedroom because you can fall asleep under it every night. The home theaters are set up to be dark, so it's a perfect place for these. I put them over jacuzzis in a spa. There's another place in California. I did a bed and breakfast out there. Sleeper on a semi truck. One of the truckers wanted this when he was traveling. He wanted to, when it was time to go to sleep, he had the night sky in there. That was kind of cool. No, you can paint this really anywhere, but the only real requirement is the room needs to get dark. If it can get dark and you have access to power that you can put a black light on it to charge it up, you're good to go in any place you want.